Handling taxes and compliance can feel overwhelming, especially when you're managing multiple global contractors or employees. But Deel makes this process incredibly streamlined. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to handle taxes and compliance in Deel, saving you time and avoiding potential mistakes along the way. First, let's talk about what Deel actually does when it comes to taxes and compliance. Deel is a platform designed to simplify hiring and managing remote teams, no matter where in the world they're located. When you're dealing with contractors or employees across different countries, each region has its own tax rules and labor laws. Deel automates much of this, ensuring you stay compliant with the local tax laws in every country your team is located. For taxes, Deel provides localized tax withholding, ensuring that you don't have to manually calculate or worry about each individual tax rate for your global workforce. Deel will automatically withhold the right amount of taxes from the payments you make to contractors or employees. This is especially helpful because tax rates can change and vary significantly from country to country, and Deel keeps up with all the updates. Now, let's dive into compliance. One of the biggest headaches when hiring remotely is making sure you're in compliance with local labor laws. Deel makes it easy by offering compliant contracts and payment structures that adhere to the legal requirements of the country you're working with. Whether you're hiring in the US, Europe, or Asia, Deel takes care of the complicated part of labor laws, from employment contracts to mandatory benefits. When you onboard a new team member, Deel's platform will ask for the necessary documentation based on where the employee or contractor is located. This includes things like tax forms and other compliance-related paperwork that you can easily store and access in the platform. Deel makes sure everything is collected and properly filed, so you don't have to chase down documents. But what about payroll and benefits? Deel can handle payroll in more than 100 countries, ensuring that your team members are paid correctly and on time, no matter where they are. It automatically calculates payroll taxes, social contributions, and benefits based on local laws, so you don't have to worry about missing anything important. If you're working with contractors, Deel will automatically issue compliant invoices for each payment cycle, ensuring everything is in line with the law. For full-time employees, Deel offers a payroll solution that includes taxes, benefits, and anything else they're entitled to under local laws like health insurance or retirement contributions. You'll also have the ability to audit the entire payroll and tax system from your Deel dashboard. Deel gives you full transparency, so you always know where your money is going, and you can check that your compliance is on track. Now, here's the exciting part. Deel is offering an exclusive free trial through the link below, which means you can test all of this for yourself without paying a dime. If you're someone who's looking to simplify remote team management, get your tax and compliance in order, and avoid the headaches of doing it manually, this software could be a game changer. And remember, by using the link below, you'll get exclusive bonuses that make this offer even better. So don't wait, try it for free, and see how Deel can take care of taxes and compliance for your global team.